They're little pinecone guys and gals. They're my pinecone pals. Hey! Now it's time for you to make your own pinecone pals. Here's what you'll need. Strong glue, tape, twine, or mounting putty. Paper, pencils or crayons, scissors. Pine cones, of course. You can find them outside by a pine tree near you. Or they can also be bought online or at most craft stores. You can also use materials like googly eyes and felt. Step 1. Bring a basket or cloth bag to carry your materials and collect lots of different kinds of natural materials, more than you think you'll need. But make sure that you only use materials that a grown-up says are okay to use. Step 2. Time to organize! Set up a workstation by laying out what you found. Ho, how sweet is that? So cool! Step 3. Design time! Make a simple drawing of what you want your pinecone pal to look like. Step 4. Time to create our pinecone pals using glue, tape, mounting putty, or twine. Bringing us to step 5. It's all in the details. Add details and layers by gluing the small pieces together first, because they are easier to attach to the pinecone that way. Make sure to let the glue dry as you go. Step 6. More pinecone pals! Step 7. Picture time! Time to take a photo of your pinecone pals. Remember to share your pals with Nature Cat and friends.